Earlier we have done law of attraction manifestation experiments for manifesting something within 24 hours, 48 hours. But today we are going to squeeze it, the time. And today we are going to do an experiment where you will be manifesting within 12 hours. Are you excited for it? Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And I'm so happy and excited to take all of you in this law of attraction test, in this experiment, which will really give you that confidence, that drive, that motivation, that how powerfully you can manifest and how powerful your thoughts and feelings are. So if you have tried the experiment that we have done last month, the 24 hours manifesting that yellow duck, and if you have done it, if you have manifested it, let me know right now in the comment section and let me know how fun it was. And today we are ready for one more experiment. But before that, if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and be a part of our awesome tribe. And most importantly, follow me on Instagram. The Instagram handle is here. Follow me on Instagram and do share your manifestation result from today. Now, let's dive into the experiment today. Today we are going to squeeze in the time to 12 hours. So we'll focus, and I want all of you to give it a try and see how many of you are manifesting this within 12 hours. Some of you may take little more time, like 24 hours, 48 hours. It's absolutely fine. But this experiment is about not just about a manifestation, but it's about refining your vibration. So those of you who will be manifesting it fast, manifesting it within maybe few minutes, within an hour, within 2 hours, 4 hours, your vibration is really getting aligned and refined. That is the thing for you. And those of you who will be taking little more time, it means you have to refine your vibration. So it is kind of not just a manifestation test for all of you. It's kind of a test of your vibration. What kind of vibration you are having, what kind of refinement of your vibration is happening within you. So that because the stronger the vibration, the faster the manifestation. No matter what you are manifesting, you know this. Stronger the vibration, faster the manifestation. I am excited for today's manifestation. I believe all of you are excited. And if you are excited, let me know in the comment section and post me the thumbs up that you are ready for it. Now, what we are going to do today, here is the step-by-step process you will be following in this video, or you can watch this video right now and you can do this experiment later on sometime, or you can watch it again when you will be doing the experiment. But one thing you have to promise, that you are going to come back to this video and share the result when you get it, when you manifest it. You have to come back and share it with me, share it with the awesome tribe, because that's how we strengthen our vibration. Excited? Fantastic. So here is what we are going to do. First of all, when you are going to do this experiment, make sure you are at your home or somewhere where you are alone and no one will disturb you. Or maybe if you want to do it in a group of people, you can do it like with your friends or family members, but make sure everyone is aligned for this manifestation. Now, this is the most interesting part. If someone is very new to law of attraction, or someone who has been believing and practicing law of attraction for 10 years, still I want all of you to do it, because it's the same process working for everyone all the time. So what we are going to do in this manifestation, what you are going to manifest, you are today going to manifest a rainbow. Yes, a rainbow. And why we are manifesting this rainbow? Let me first tell you. See, rainbow signify few things. Rainbow is considered to be a sign of manifestation. And why it is so? Because remember, the light that we are seeing, it has all the colors. But when the rainbow forms after a rain, the rainbow refines all the colors that is inside the light. It's like we have all the vibration, all kind of vibration within us. Positive, negative, happy, excited, sad, joy, peaceful, anxiety, stress, everything, all kind of vibration are mixed up like the light. But when we see a rainbow, we see the rainbow in the refined form of all the colors inside the light. All the colors are arranged in a particular beautiful form. That is the significance of a rainbow. So whenever we see a rainbow, that is a sign of refined vibration, a sign of refined energy, a sign of pure energy. So whenever even you are seeing rainbow normally, whether in the sky or whether even if you see a picture of rainbow which actually makes you feel happy or joyful, it's the same sign, that sign of manifestation, and at the same time sign of refined vibration. So that is why when we are squeezing the time of manifestation to 12 hours today, we are going to manifest rainbow. Are you excited for it? How many of you love to see rainbow? Let me know in the comment section. So what we are going to do, sit comfortably or lie down comfortably, and right now you will be seeing a picture of a beautiful rainbow in the screen, and look at this rainbow. Look at this rainbow and see how beautiful it is. While looking at this rainbow and its beauty, ask yourself what this rainbow signify for you. What is the significance of this rainbow to you? Is it a sign of manifestation for you? Is it a sign of beauty? Is it a sign of the nature? Is it refinement of vibration? Or it is just a sign of absolute excitement and happiness? Ask yourself and go deep into that feeling while looking at this rainbow. And when you feel that happy and excitement or that joy or that peace, look at all the colors. And now I want you to close your eyes. Close your eyes while listening to my voice and imagine this rainbow in your head. Imagine this rainbow. Imagine this rainbow in the sky. Imagine this beautiful rainbow. And focus on every single color, the beauty of this rainbow. Look at the sky behind it. If you want, you can imagine few birds in the sky. If you want, you can imagine, you can hear those sounds. You can feel that joy. Imagine as happily as you can. And while imagining this rainbow, know that this rainbow is a sign of manifestation for you. This rainbow is itself a manifestation, and at the same time, this rainbow is giving you the sign of your bigger manifestation. This rainbow is signifying that your vibrations are getting refined. This rainbow is giving you that energy that your vibration are getting aligned and you are manifesting. Now smile while imagining this rainbow. Now in some of your imagination, the imagination must be fading away and coming back again. It's absolutely fine. It's not necessary that the same imagination will last all this time. Now while imagining this rainbow, feel as much joy you can feel. And while keeping your eyes closed, now you ask the universe that, universe, I am ready to manifest this rainbow within next 24 hours. I am aligned, my vibrations are aligned, I am positive, I am happy, and I am excited. And show me this rainbow within next 24 hours. Show me this rainbow within next 24 hours because my vibration are aligned. And when you will be showing this rainbow to me, I know that you are going to even manifest my biggest desire. This manifestation of this rainbow will be a sign for me that my biggest desires are coming true. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Universe, I trust you and I am manifesting this rainbow within next 12 hours. Thank you. Take a deep breath. Exhale. And now you open your eyes. Now, how was your experience? I'm sure you had a peaceful and joyful experience. First, let me know how was your experience in the comment section right now. And if you could able to see that rainbow, if you could able to feel that joy, if you could able to see that beautiful sky the way you have imagined, be happy and know that this manifestation is coming true. Now, all of you are going to manifest it. Most of you are going to manifest it within just couple of hours, before even 12 hours. The moment you see it, come back to this video and let me know in the comment section it's done and you have manifested the rainbow. You can follow me on Instagram and share the picture of the rainbow over there. Now, some of you may be thinking that are you going to see the real rainbow in the sky, or if you see that rainbow then only it will be a manifestation? The answer is no. If whether you will see this rainbow in the sky within next 12 hours, that will be a manifestation, or whether you are going to see a picture of a rainbow somewhere which looks like the way you have imagined. If it is like that, and the moment you see it and you feel that joy and happiness, then the manifestation is done. Because this rainbow is a sign for you and it is a manifestation for you that is telling you that your vibration are aligned, your vibration are in sync, your vibration are refined, and the manifestation is coming true. So now it's time for you to go ahead in the day. You are excited, not to worry about it, not to doubt it, and go and manifest it. And whenever you manifest, like the way you have promised, come back and share the result. Now, if this video has give you that excitement, then do share it with someone who believe in the law of attraction. Maybe you can share it in a group, WhatsApp group, Telegram group, or with people, Facebook group, and ask all the people who believe in the law of attraction to give it a try and see the power of manifestation. Many a times people, when they want to manifest something, they just focus on the biggest thing. But they forget about the vibration, they forget about the refining the vibration. So from time to time, we need to keep testing, keep doing this kind of experiments so that we know that our vibration are aligned. And if you can manifest this rainbow, then even you can manifest your biggest desire. What do you need for that? That alignment with that desire, that refinement of your vibration, that aligned with that right vibration. So the same process will work for bigger manifestation. So my friend, you can manifest it. Let's do it and share the result. And if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon. We're part of our awesome tribe. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques, and powerful processes to manifest your desire, you should join our powerful program, Make Your Life Awesome, if you are not yet joined, or you can check out other programs on our Awesome AZ Academy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay motivated, stay awesome.